The main disinfectant used by MegaGen Implant Company is hypochlorous acid, or HOCl. To find out more, let's talk to Lorne Hwangot, the director of MegaGen International Network for Education and Clinical Research.
There are so many different sanitizing agents on the market. So why are we using hypochlorous acid? Hypochlorous acid sounds rather scary, but HOCl is actually a natural compound formed by the human immune system to destroy invading pathogens. This means that HOCl is nature's first responder in fighting infection. First discovered around 1870, it was widely used during World War I to disinfect wounds and sanitize field hospitals, and even used in British hospitals until the 1950s. But the main problem was inconsistent formulas, as the ingredients were just stirred together, and the mixtures were unstable, so they lost their disinfection power. However, in the 1970s, it was found that HOCl could be produced using electrolysis. So electrolyzed HOCl is actually a very weak acid, and is also known as neutral electrolyzed water. Its neutral pH means it is totally safe for human exposure, and in contrast to other sanitizers, HOCl can be safely used for fogging and misting. The FDA has already approved the use of HOCl for eye and dental infections, and as a no-rinse sanitizer for fruit and vegetables. Plus, it has been shown to be safe for most surfaces, including plastics, fabrics, and stainless steel. With over 200 studies on the sanitizing power and effects of HOCl, it has been shown to eliminate 99.99% of all viruses, bacteria, spores, and fungi within a very short contact time of just seconds. In fact, the sanitizing power of HOCl is 80 times more powerful than that of bleach or chlorine. HOCl has also been shown to kill coronaviruses, including MERS and SARS. So even though there have been no direct studies, it's reasonable to assume that HOCl will also be effective against the new coronavirus. If you'd like to read more, please check our website, which includes many interesting HOCl research links. So just to recap, why are we using HOCl? Well, one, it acts quickly and kills 99.99% of pathogens. That includes viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Two, it's absolutely safe and non-toxic for humans and the environment. And three, it's inexpensive and flexible, meaning it can be used as a surface spray, mist, and fog.
This SLB120 machine uses electrolysis to mix 3% diluted hydrochloric acid and water to produce weak hypochlorous acid at 80 ppm with a pH of 5 to 6.5. The ppm can be adjusted, and the system can make up to 120 liters per hour. The machine can also be operated with various voltages from 110 to 230 volts, making it internationally friendly. In contrast, this home-style device is easy to use when only small amounts of HOCl are required. Add 1.5 liters of water and 30 milliliters of the reagent. Then, after about 5 minutes, you get weak hypochlorous acid at 100 ppm with a pH of 4 to 5. Plus, you can adjust the time and ingredients to get a higher ppm. This device can also be operated with various voltages from 110 to 230 volts. When using HOCl to disinfect large spaces, we recommend using an ultra-low volume fogger like this, which takes 3 to 4 liters of HOCl. The motor output is 1,550 watts, and it has a fogging range of 7 to 11 meters. The dispenser can also be adjusted to discharge up to 1.2 liters per minute with various particle sizes from 20 to 50 micrometers. So, for a 160 square meter space, the fogger will need 2 to 3 liters of HOCl, and the disinfection process will take about 20 minutes. After spraying, close the door for 2 to 3 minutes, then open a window to circulate the air. By the way, when fogging, just to be safe, it's best to wear goggles, masks, and gloves. In the case of a frequently trafficked building, the use of an HOCl misting machine at the entrance is an effective way to reduce the coronavirus from being carried inside on clothing and on belongings. Each visitor just presses the foot pedal, then a small amount of HOCl mist is released. This is perfect for entrances to clinics, restaurants, grocery stores, etc. In conclusion, I hope this video offered some interesting and helpful advice for you in your own situation. As you know, this is a new normal, so we need to make sure that we protect each other to get through this safely. Take care, everyone.